Hi, Daddy, we're looking out here.
There's something weird things happen in our world. A sapling tree grows on the wall. Come on, let's get it. And place it to the place that he can grow faster and bigger. Too many weird things happen nowadays. Weather sometimes is disturbing. Climate is changing.
What is weather and climate study?
First of all, you should know that weather and climate is not the same thing. Weather is what's happening right now. What's the weather today?
Sunny day.
Good, that's right. Climate is the average of many years of weather observation. If you go to school, your science teacher will teach you that.
Why we are doing this?
It's for your future, baby. As a human being, we are committed to preserve and protect our nature and our natural resources. Okay. Put some salt, nak.
Huh?
Yan, put some salt. Very good. Very good, Ate. Good job. There she goes. She finds her home. Good job, Ate Heart.
Thank you, Daddy.
Hi, baby. What are you doing?
I'm saving my home.
Wow! That's nice! So pretty! I love you, baby heart.
I love you, Daddy.